This video explains how to buy shares of Lotus Technology Inc., a company focused on advanced automation and intelligent industrial systems, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LOT. This is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LOT to locate the listing. Make sure you select Lotus Technology Inc. from the results to reach the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the live price chart to understand recent trading activity. Double-check the name and the LOT ticker to confirm you have the correct security. Tap, trade, or buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details including order type and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may queue or execute at next market open, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same steps, find the eToro link in the video description.